Here's an interesting app called STORYGRAPH Reading Tracker. So let's just take a look at it. This app recently is climbing to the top charts in the books category in US App Store. As you can see, top the one about Audible app, about Kindle app. So what the idea about this app? So this is like a reading tracker. Import your Goodreads data. We'll import all of your current reading to read and did not finish shelves. Any custom shelves will be mapped to a custom tag on the story graph. Simple tracking and insightful stats. Easily track and learn about your reading habits. Use our wide range of charts and graphs. See how your reading develops over time and use to help you pick better books. Get smart personalized recommendations. Our machine learning AI is like your trusted to go-to friend for book recommendations. Discover books by mood. Read with friends, reading challenges, custom tags, content warnings. So yeah, here you can just open it up. And so this is how it looks like. You just have these recommendations popular this week. So this is kind of like a book recommendation engine. Reading preferences. And popular this week, challenges community. Then you have challenges, different challenges related to books. So read a book from 5-star section, read a story graph recommendation, reading challenge. So different challenges to read different types of books. So it's a just nice app to join if you're a fan of reading, if you like different books. This is a nice community. Also, they have a lot of giveaways, which is in beta. You can view giveaway. So you can see some prize. So you just enter it enter giveaway to win a copy of different books, and then you can also search for books. So yeah, that's basically the idea here. And yeah, so that's just what you have, and yeah, so that's about it.